So this is my papaya tree. It's about a year old, and as you can see, that's going to be its first papayas. So when they're like this, you can eat them like a ripe papaya fruit, or if you pick them green, you can make them into vegetable salads with like carrots, and you can eat them as a vegetable. So there is all the little papayas. And this one is a female papaya tree. They can also come in male or in hermaphrodite. So if you aren't getting papayas, take a look and see if they have the right flowers on them.